Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to customize your HUD in Resident Evil Requiem. Let's begin by opening the options menu. Then navigate to the HUD options. Here, under HUD, you can change the HUD size from standard to large. There is a display image in the bottom right corner, so you can see how it looks. Let's say I want to go with large. You can also change the menu text size from standard to large. You can immediately observe the changes in the HUD right here. You can enable or disable the health gauge, the notification display, tutorial messages, and item pop-up. From all items to important items only. Of course, you can also change the HUD for the when aiming category. You can toggle on or off the reticle display for more immersive gameplay. You can turn it off for more practical gameplay. You can turn it on. There is also a dot display for general exploration, I guess. This will be hidden in the cutscenes and while aiming. You can change the reticle center dot color from white to red to blue to green to yellow. Choose whatever color you prefer and whichever one is the most visible for you in-game. And the same goes for the scope dot sight center color. You can swap between red and green. Choose whatever one is more visible to you. Of course, you can customize the HUD however you wish to. I will reset it back to the default settings, but for you, you don't have to do this. After you are done, simply press the back button. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.